Very good evening, Mehul Bhai, and welcome to the talk. Welcome to this session. First of all, tell me, how are
Yes,
you?
I'm great, sir. And you, sir?
Yeah, I'm fantastic. Fantastic to meet fantastic people. So tell me, how's the entire experience of this 35 days journey?
First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me a chance to speak to everyone and a fantastic experience. This is not only English speaking course; it's also life changing course. Actually, we can learn lots of things in our life, routine life. How can we manage our time, and how can we perform tasks, and how can we present ourselves through English. I never make my video in English. I can see myself on screen, and then you are right whenever you tell that if you want to speak, you have to speak.
Great, Mehul Bhai, and I can also see the confidence that you have right now. Okay, on your
Yes.
face, and sometimes it becomes very difficult to talk with the person from whom you are learning, okay, because you have the doubt that if I'll speak wrong, okay,
Yeah.
if he will ask
Yeah.
something, I'll be not able to give the answer. But I
Yeah.
cannot
That's a
see
fear.
that there is actually you are a totally fearless right now, and the way you are speaking, that you are not having any judgments right now. You are very clear to yourself, and the task and the presentation that you have shared in the group presentations were also nice. So you done fantastic job in this journey also.
Yeah. Thank you to you, sir. Because you actually, what the thing is that whenever this community you have made, it's fantastic because નહીં કહેતા કે પહેલા આપણે જે હોવું જોઈએ કે મારે શીખવું છે, then first you help yourself, then others can help you.
Great. So do you feel
Now,
that as you have taken the decision to be a part of this masterclass program, and if you didn't take that decision, then it was your fault?
yeah, actually, whenever I see the Facebook and I saw your advertisement that 5 days workshop English class, then that time I thought it is true. In only 5 days, it is possible. Let I try. I thought that time it is the method. What you gave us a momentum, how you speak. You have a directly point to point give the guidance that if I talk in English, I made one presentation. Okay, then what the mistakes are there? Then you have to point to it, and directly I understand what was my mistake, and I can improve very fastly. So this is the my best decision to join this program.
Wonderful, Mehul Bhai. So, guys, can you see that? I know Mehul Bhai, he has just joined our program, okay, because before just 35 days, in the way he presented all the presentations, the way he is talking right now, okay. So, you are doing very good.
Thank
Anything,
you
if
so
you
much.
want to mention, then otherwise, I'm just ending this conversation with you. Anything else if you want to mention?
I want to mention that if anybody want to speak in English, then you have to speak is the definitely right thing. But you join this program confidently. First of all, you have a confidence on you. Then you have a confidence on that person, on your mentor, that you go to the right path. So this is the right platform. If you want to speak in English, if you want to go ahead in your life, this is the right platform. I think so.
Thanks a lot, Mehul Bhai. And you have done fantastic job, fantastic activities with the entire the group and the activities that we made. And just nice. Thanks a lot for the
Thank you,
conversation.
sir.